Good morning, students. Welcome back to Unique World Education YouTube channel. This is Shihabuddin, mathematics teacher. So today we are discussing the question paper. The question paper is conducted by the school, the Millenium School. So we can directly go to the questions. First of all, some MCQ questions from the question paper. First question is from the chapter, the first chapter. If two positive integers p and q can be expressed, so expression is given. P can be expressed as a into b square. Q can be expressed as a cube into b. We need to find the HCF, highest common factor of P and Q. That's a question here. Common factor and should be highest. So in P we have A and B, in Q is also we have A and B. So highest common factor in P, A into B square. So A is common. A is also here in Q, but in Q we have A cube, but in P we have only one A square. So we can take one A is common, and B square and B, which one is common? Surely B. So option A is the correct answer. Highest common factor of P and Q. Next question. It is related to the polynomials. Alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial p of x equal to x square minus 5x plus k. A condition is given. Alpha minus beta equal to 1. We want to find the value of k. So p of x is given. P of x, the polynomial is given. X square minus 5x plus k. And we have the relation between the zeros and coefficients. That means, first of all, if you are considering alpha and beta are the zeros, then we have the relation between alpha and beta and the coefficient of polynomials. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Minus b by a means is the polynomial. If the polynomial is of the form ax square plus bx plus c, then alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. And alpha into beta equal to c by a. These are the two conditions. So here alpha plus beta equal to minus b means coefficient of x. Here the coefficient of x is negative 5 is the coefficient of x. So negative 5, the coefficient of x square, that is a, here the coefficient of x square is 1. So it is 1. So a equal to 1. So clearly we will get negative should be positive. If you are dividing with 1, nothing will be happen. We will get 5. So alpha plus beta equal to 5. Now again read the question. It is given that alpha minus beta is 1. So without finding alpha into beta, we can use elimination or substitution, because here we have two variables and two equations, linear equations. So we can add these two linear equations. We can cancel plus beta and minus beta. So it will be alpha plus alpha, 2 alpha, plus beta minus beta should be 0. 5 plus 1, 6. So clearly we will get alpha equal to 6 by 2, which is equal to 3. So alpha equal to 3. So here we can substitute alpha equal to 3. So clearly we have an equation alpha plus beta equal to 5. So we can find beta, the second 0, 5 minus alpha. So 5 minus 3, it is equal to 2. So alpha is equal to 3 and beta equal to 2. Now look at here the second relation or the second result related to zeros and the coefficients. We have alpha into beta equal to c by a. So alpha, that is 5, beta, alpha not 5, sorry, alpha is 3. Alpha equal to 3, beta is equal to 2, it is equal to C, the constant. Here in the question, K is the constant, A is 1. So 6 equal to K. Option B is the answer, 6 equal to K. Next question, sine theta plus cos theta equal to root 2 cos theta from trigonometry. Sine theta plus cos theta square root of cos theta. The trigonometry, we can use so many methods and results. So here we need to find the value of tan theta. So sine is there, cos is there, root 2 cos is there. We want to introduce a tan by using this equation. So I am just divided by cos theta, because sine by cos is tan. So sine theta and dividing with cos theta plus cos theta and dividing with cos theta equal to square root of 2 cos theta, again dividing with cos theta. So clearly sine theta by cos theta, that is tan theta. Cos theta by cos theta, it is 1. Cos theta by cos theta, it is 1. So root 2. So simply we can calculate the value of tan theta. It is root 2 minus 1. Okay, root 2 minus 1. What is the option? Root 2 minus 1. A is the correct answer. Now, the length of the minute hand of a clock is 21 centimeter. The area swept by the minute hand in 10 minutes. So it is related to the circles. So first of all, we want to draw a circle here. Okay, a circle. The minute hand, here we have the clock is starting from here, the 12 or the 0. 21, the length of minute hand is 21 centimeter. And 10 minutes, now we have 1 and 2. 2 is the 10 minute. We need to find the area of this sector. We need to find the area of this sector. That's the question. We need to find the area of this sector. So area related to circles. We have the equation for finding the area of the sector. Area of the sector. Yeah, what's the equation? Theta by 360 pi r square. We need to find the angle theta. So we know that the complete rotation of a circle will give you 360 degree. The complete rotation means 60 minute. So 60 minute equal to 1 complete rotation, that means 360 degree. So now 1 minute, the angle created by 1 minute is equal to 360 by 60. So we can cancel 0 and 0. 36 by 6 is 6 degree. So 1 minute is the conversion. 1 minute is 6 degree. So here we need to find 10 minutes. So 10 minutes is equal to 6 into 10, that means 60 degree. So now theta is 60 degree. So we can find the area. So area equals 60 by 360 into pi. It is 22 by 7. R square, the radius, the length of the minute hand, 7 square. So we can write 7 into 7. So we can cancel 7 and 7, 0 and 0, 6 and 36. It will be 1 by 6. It will be 1 by 6, 22 into 7. Again we can cancel. This is by 3. No, we can cancel by 2. It will be 3. It will be 11. So finally we'll get, oh, what happened here? Oh, here we have 7, but it is not 7. In the question it is given that 21. There is a mistake here in the calculation. Look at here. It is 21. Look at the question. 21. Radius is 21. We want to write 21 into 21. So 7 and 21 we can divide by 7. It will be 3. Okay, so it will be 1 by 6. 1 by 6. 22, 3, again 21. So we can cancel 6, 22. It is 3 times, it is 11 times, both are even numbers. Again we can cancel 3 and 3. Now we want to multiply 11 into 21. That means 21 into 11. That's better because we can multiply with 1. So 21, 21. It will be like this. 2, 2, 3, 1. 2, 3. So 231 centimeters square. 231 centimeters square. It is the area. So 231 centimeters square. Okay. Now look at the next question. It is related to trigonometry again. The given figure, D is the midpoint. It is given that this is the midpoint. That means CD equal to DB. Okay, D is the midpoint. So we can write CD equal to DB. Both are equal. Then the value of cot Y. How we can find cot Y? Cot Y means adjacent by opposite. That is the value of cot. So cot Y means this circle, sorry, this triangle ACB. This is the Y. So adjacent, AC is the adjacent side. AC is the adjacent side. Look at here, AC is the adjacent side here. AC is the adjacent side. Which one is opposite? CB is the opposite. So AC by CB. It is cot Y. Now look at here, cot X, the angle X. In the angle X, cot X, the same method, adjacent by opposite. Adjacent is AC, opposite is CD. Now here's the question is that cot Y by cot X. Cot Y by cot X. Cot Y means AC by CB divided by cot X means again AC by CD. But here we can cancel AC and AC and take in the reciprocal. It will be 1 by CB into CD by 1. So we will get CD by CB. But there is no option CD by CB. What will do? Yeah, we want to use the D is the midpoint. D is the midpoint and CD, DB are equal. CD and DB are equal. So it will be CD by CB means CD plus DB. CD plus DB. But CD and DB are equal. So we can write this is 2CD. CD plus CD. So we can cancel CD and CD. Answer should be 1 by 2. The second option. 1 by 2. Okay. Now look at here the next question. The LCM of the numbers m, 2m, 3m, 4m, 5m, where m is a positive integer. We need to find the LCM of these numbers. LCM of m, 2m, 3m. Here 2, 3 and prime numbers. 4m, but 4 is not a prime number, but we can express 4 is equal to 2 square into m, and 5m. So LCM means least common multiple. So LCM, least common multiple. So it's a multiple. Here m, 2m, 3m, 4m, 5m. So m should be the least common. 2m and 2 square. So we want to introduce 2 square. It's a multiple. 3 is there. So we want to introduce 3. 5 is there. So 5. So clearly we will get 4 into 3 into 5 into m. So 4 into 3 is 12. 12 into 5 is 60. 60m is the answer. Is the LCM of m, 2m, 3m, 4m and 5m. LCM, least common multiple. We are taking, here we have the only one difference is there, 2 and 2 square. For LCM we need to take 2 square. For HCF we want to consider 2. That's the difference. If you are taking LCM it is 2 square. If you are taking HCF it is 2. That's the difference between LCM and HCF. Next question, what is that? Using the equations 4 by x plus 6y equal to 10, 1 by x minus 6y equal to 5. Okay, so we have two equations. First one, 4 by x plus 6y equal to 10. The second equation, 1 by x minus 6y equal to 5. So hint is there. First equation plus 6y. In the second equation minus 6y. So clearly both, if you are adding both these two equations, we can cancel or we can eliminate the variable y. So we are adding these two equations. First one, 4 by x plus 1 by x. The denominators are equal. It is x. So we can add the numerators. 4 plus 1, that is 5 by x, plus 6y minus 6y. It is 0 equals 10 plus 5. It is 15. So 5 by x is equal to 15. 5 by x is equal to 15. So what is 1 by x? I am taking this 5 into right side. So it will be 15 by 5. I am taking this 5 into right side. So it will be division. So 1 by x equal to 15 by 5. It is 3. Now read the question. If p equal to 3x, then what is the value of p? If you are taking this x into right side, what will happen? If I am taking this x into right side, what will happen? Yeah, it will be 1 equal to 3x. Again read the question. P equal to 3x. So here 3x is equal to 1. So p equal to 3x, but here 3x is equal to 1. So clearly p equal to 1 is the final answer. So p equal to 1. Now we can move to the next question. Sin theta minus cos theta is 0. Sin theta minus cos theta equal to 0. We want to find sin raised to 4 plus cos raised to 4 theta. He given condition is that sine theta minus cos theta is equal to 0. So if we want, we can take this cos theta into right side. What will happen? Sine theta equals cos theta. Both these values are equal. It is only when theta is equal to 45. If theta is equal to 45 degree, then sine theta cos theta is equal to 1 by root 2. Now we need to find sine raised to 4 theta plus cos raised to 4 theta. If theta is equal to 45, then what is sine theta? And what is cos theta? Both are equal, which is equal to 1 by root 2. So just substitute sine raised to 4 theta. It will be 1 by root 2 whole raised to 4 plus again cos theta 1 by root 2 whole raised to 4. So if you are squaring a square root, we will get the value 2. But here it is power 4. So it will be 1 by 2 into 2. We are multiplying square root 4 times. Again here 2 into 2 because we are multiplying square root 4 times. So it will be 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. So 1 plus 1 is 2. It is 2 by 4. So 2 by 4, both are even numbers and divisible by 2, so we can divide by 2. It will be 1 by 2. Okay. Now 1 by 2 means the second option. Now look at here again from the chapter areas related to circles. The figure, a circle is given and center of angle of each sectors is given 60, 80, 40. We need to find the area of the shaded region. Area of the shaded region. So what is the area of a sector? Area of a sector equal to theta by 360 pi r square. So here we have 3 sectors with different angles. So we are adding these areas. So area of shaded region. Area of shaded region equal to theta. For the first one it is 80. So 80 by 360 pi r square plus second one 40. So 40 by 360 pi r square. The third one 60. So 60 by 360 pi r square. So in these 3 terms, pi r square by 60 is common. Sorry, pi r square by 360 is common. So we can take pi r square by 360 is common. Then 80 plus 40 plus 60. So now we can substitute the values for pi and the radius. So pi means 22 by 7. Here we have 1 by 360. The radius, now it is 7. The radius is given 7. So 7 into 7 in the bracket 80 plus 40 plus 60. So 60 plus 40, 100. 100 plus 80, 100 and 180. Now 7, 7, 0, 0. We can cancel. 36 and 18 both have the common factor 18. 36 2 times. So it will be 22 by this 2 and 7. Again we can divide 22 with 2. We will get 11. So multiplying 77. So multiplying 77 we'll get 77. 7 into 11, that is 77. Okay, then next one. Look at here. A right angled triangle is there. Right angled triangle. Given that right angled at B, so 90 degree is at B, and we need to find cos of A plus C. It's a simple question because it is 90 degree. So what is A plus C? A plus C should be 90 because angle sum property of a triangle. A plus is 90, 90 plus 90, 180. So A plus is 90, so cos A plus C means we need to find cos 90. Cos 90, what is cos 90? Cos 90 is 0. Again, the second option. Cos 90 is equal to 0. Okay, so I'm just concluding. So we can discuss some more questions in next class. Okay, thank you. Bye. See you later.